Hey YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Look what we got out. Big SRT8 shit. And you see what's inside. Hold on. Big 300, man. Big seat in the garage, man. Yeah, I watched this yesterday. I knew it was gonna rain. Knew it was gonna rain that last night. So, and I knew I was gonna dry that. But I did dry that last night. All through yesterday and shit, so I just let that outside because it got rainy. I know I didn't not want to watch two different cars, man. But we got Big C in the motherfucking garage, man. We about to install the crossbar, man. That's right, strut bar, strut tower brace, man. Yeah, I got me another one that's in this box right here, man. Yeah, see what color that is though? Red. Yeah, see a little damage to it. Not really damage, but scraped. Went through the box, but yeah, man, we got the strut bar in here, man. You feel me? About to drop the box. Got the strut bar, know what I mean? Y'all want a cold start for the Big C, man? I'm gonna do a cold start for Big C right quick. Let me get the keys, man. Y'all see the little light show a little bit. Feel me? LEDs make it look pop. Make them pop, man. Make the car pop. Yeah, we gonna get this out the garage, man, and move this back. Also, had to buy a tire for the Malibu. Well, actually I got two tires. One just came in today. But yeah, man, this tire, man, is getting old, my boy. Got good tread left, but this mug's cracking and everything. Got a new tire, man. That's in the garage right here. I just said the garage, I mean the trunk. Brand new tire right there. The other one should probably be here Monday. But yeah, man, for the back. So we're gonna change out the backs. We already did the fronts last year, about last fall or whatever. But yeah, man, we're gonna back this up on. This mug keep falling out the window, man. Mug keep falling out the window. This wouldn't be cool. We're gonna get that fixed though. You feel me? But about to pull this out. Get the strut bar put on, man. Say my other one is for sale, or it's probably I'll probably just give it away for real. So 300C shit. His back is out the garage, man. And you go ahead and forgot my kill switch. But don't work. So hold on, we back this out this garage and get this trunk popped. Not the trunk, get this hood popped up and we good. Alright, YouTube, shoot. I didn't back the Magnum up far enough, you know what I'm saying? And the Durango too damn close. So I just put it out halfway, you know what I'm saying? So still be able to see. Got some good lighting here a little bit. Pop these covers off, man. We're gonna get this popping right quick. Fairly easy install. If y'all are having trouble installing it, it's probably because these bolts. Damn, can you get that much? So yeah, so if y'all are having trouble, it's probably because these bolts coming out could be like off shifted a little bit. So and you just probably normally I'll just take a rubber hammer and try to get the shock move over a little bit. Just tap it with a rubber hammer and it'll move. So it got some play. So it ain't got no play now because they bolted down, but once you take these bolts off, you go ahead and move it, man. All right, let me take these bolts off and get this strut bar installed. Let's see when I say you got a little play. So the holes got enough play around here so you can be able to move it all around. So if it's not fitting on y'all, trust me, you can knock on this, not knock, but hit this shock tower a little bit, get it to move over. So you get everything lined up. But obviously I still ain't showed y'all the strut tower, man. I recommend though, do not, man, unless y'all really want the Mopar one, or unless y'all got a custom one, man, I can't see paying no more than $100. 125 maybe for a strut tower brace, man, because I seen that Mopar one, that mug was $300, like $350, bro. Crazy, bro. Ain't no way. All right, let me put this camera down right quick. All right, so let me pull this out the box, man. Sorry, man, I'm kind of like up and down and shit because went out last night, man, kicked it. I may throw that little clip in there, clip of it. Hold on, let me put it down. There we go. All right, got the screws right there. Don't need them. Use your original screws, y'all. Use the original screws. This is what it look like, man. I'm gonna leave it red. I'm not gonna paint it white. So whenever I spray the car down and some outrageous flip, then I'm gonna paint it. You know what I mean? But it matched the brake calipers. You feel me? So as y'all can see, bling bling. So it'll be perfect when I've got the hood up. Got some color in here, color under the hood. So they got the blue oil breather. So yeah, man, it's good, man. So yeah, I can't see. I think I paid $100 for this, man. So pretty dope. Should fit right on. No problems. But yeah, I might throw a clip on of me kicking it last night for a little 5-second, 10-second clip. But let's get this installed, man. Show you what it look like when it's done. All right, y'all. This is how it look. It's not installed. I just got it placed on here. Y'all see the room. They say I'm gonna install it the opposite way though. It really don't matter which way you want to put it on. This is how it look this way. And I'm gonna show y'all how it look the other way. All right, this is how it looks. So see how the last one look. I guess you can install it any way you want to, you feel me? You know what I mean? I think it's meant to go that way though. But it don't matter, you can install it any way, whichever way it fits, which way you like it, I guess. I'm gonna install the bolts and that's that. Alright, man, got it installed, man. It's on. Ain't going nowhere. Yeah, I like it, man. It's got some color to add some color to the engine bay, man. Make it stand out more. So it's pretty dope, man. I like it, man. Hey, we putting work in, man. We making shit happen, man. I didn't, like I said, I didn't use the bolts. So my bolts right there. Use the original bolts, man. You're good. And like y'all can see, it clears. Clears the what you call it. Where that is on top. Perfect, man. So yeah, the 6 folds. I think my other one in the house. What did I do with the other one? Yeah, I think I put the other one in the house though. But yeah, it's sort of different. But I'm gonna show the Magnum right quick. Let's just see what the Magnum looks like. So yeah, this is the Magnum. The Magnum looked like. I had the same one for the 300, but the other one that was all white in my previous video don't fit. But this one fits though. Like I said, only why it don't fit because that the 300 got that little black thing sitting right here. Like right here, so well yeah, man, that's the difference. Works pretty good, works well. See that motherfucker looking clean. Big 6.1 liter, big 6.4, 6.4. Yeah, man. Young Rich 419. Subscribe to the channel, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. I see y'all, man. Peace. Daddy. Look like a wrap just based on the bottom. Yeah, you can tell it's a wrap.